Today I'm making swordfish alla Ghiotta with you. This recipe is claimed by both Sicilians and Calabrians. I don't want to get involved, so since it's delicious in its simplicity, I'm making it with you. Let's get started. So first of all, I chop the small onion. I recommend chopping it finely so that when it cooks, it will almost melt away and you won't even notice it anymore. I like it, so I don't mind, but you know, there's always someone who might not prefer it, so let's chop it finely. That way it will be almost unnoticeable. Very well. Now I'm going to chop some parsley. We'll need it at the end, but for convenience, I'll do it now. That way, while the fish is cooking, I can start tidying up a bit. I'll set it aside, then I'll divide it in half. The olives, of course, if you prefer, you can easily leave them whole. Then I put the oil in a pan or a pot, add the onion, arrange things a bit, then add capers. These are salt-cured capers that I have rinsed. But to avoid making the dish too salty, I add them and let them saute for a couple of minutes over medium heat. Perfect. Now I add the tomato puree. A little bit of bread to mop up, I arrange it, and over medium-low heat, I let it cook for 15 minutes without covering, just like that. Now I add the fish, which I washed and then dried well with paper towels. I arrange it a bit and let it cook on low heat for 15 minutes, making sure to turn the slices halfway through cooking. Here it is. Perfect. Now I turn off the heat, add a bit of parsley. I tasted it. There's no need for salt, so taste it before adding salt. Pot holders, and I'm going to plate it. Let's see. Olivette. Oh my, there's someone desperate here because I already foresee 200 kilos of bread for the scarpetta, which is mandatory. Please, make sure not to overcook the fish. 15 minutes max, even if it's thicker than this. Unless it's really thick, 15 minutes at most. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye, and as usual, before I leave you, I want to wish you a good meal.